Hello, everybody. Thank you for tuning into this episode of What Did I Order on the Internet Today? Now, okay, so I saw this ad. I don't remember if it was Facebook or Instagram. It was on one of the two. Lord, it could have been on both of them. Anyway, it's called Mrs.Taste, and I'm going to do an unboxing because I got my stuff today. They have different kinds of sauces, syrups, and it's supposed to be 0 calorie or close to like low calorie, 0 sugar. I've never heard of them before, so this is not a sponsored video. Sorry about my window back there. Now can you see me? So forgive the glare, because I can't fix that, and this is like the best place I could put my phone up to do this video. Anyway, back to it. The sauces were on sale, and there was like 20% off code on top of that. Anyway, here's my box. Here's my box. It says, do you know what's inside? It's delicious. So let's see. Okay. Well, that part of the video might get taken off just because I didn't realize the other sticker had my address on it. And yes, I did order a lot of stuff, so that right there. I'm sorry the y'all can't really see. Okay, I'll quit. That's annoying. My bad. Okay, so first thing we'll pull out is the maple-free. I'm sorry about the glare. There we go. The maple-free, 0 sugar, no preservatives. So this is supposed to be like maple syrup. And there is, let's see, can I get it to, I don't know. Anyway, okay, I'll tell you what's in here. So we have calories, 25. And each serving is 1 tablespoon, and there's 14 per container. 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 0 sodium, 10 grams of carbs, and 0 protein. Obviously, it's a syrup. So, all right. Number 2. Oh, and it's 10 ounces. So you see the 10-ounce jar here. And then here we have the barbecue, 0 calorie barbecue sauce. It's 0 calories, 1 tablespoon per serving, and it's 29 servings per container. 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 0 sodium, 0.8 carbs, and 0 protein. So, and these are actually some pretty decent ingredients. Filtered water, vinegar, tomato pulp, potassium chloride, onion, mustard, paprika, red pepper, cinnamon. Ooh, Kansas City barbecue sauces. A lot of them have cinnamon in them. So this, since it has cinnamon in it, reminds me that it may end up being like, I'm trying to think of the place by my work. Smokin' Joe's Barbecue? Johnny's Barbecue. It's Johnny's Barbecue. Their barbecue sauce is fire. Natural caramel color, natural flavors, xanthan gum, sucralose, potassium, and I have no idea what that word is. Axylfame I'll have to look that one up, but. And the maple syrup is just a couple other things. Anyway, don't want to make this too long. But we also have a creamy 4 cheese sauce, and it's 10 calories as well. Let's see. It has 2 carbs, and that's it. There's like no fat, nothing like that. So it's a 4 cheese. Then we have creamy cheese, which I'm guessing this is going to be like a cream cheese flavor. I was like, they're the same color. They're a little bit different in color. This one's like a little bit more like, I don't know. It's darker or whatever. I don't know if you guys can see real well on that, but, and it says fat-free. I think all of these are fat-free. 6 calories, 1.6 carbs, 74 grams of sodium, no protein. And all of them, the servings are like 1 tablespoon for each one of them. So, and as you can tell, the barbecue sauce is a lot bigger than these little guys. So, and then we have ketchup, 0 calorie ketchup. And there's like 3 carbs, 0 protein, 0 fat, 0 calories. So, here we go. Put that over there with that one. And then we have strawberry syrup, 0 calories, 2.5 carbs. And the carbs, if you're one of those people that take the dietary fiber out for total net carbs, there's 2.5 dietary fiber in it. So 0 net carbs in this syrup. I'm excited to try this on, I'm going to try to get some of the First Form cake cups and make some pancakes and try that syrup on it. This one is the spicy ketchup. And let me see. What's the difference? There's no difference. It's the same thing. And all the carbs that are in these, all of them, the dietary fiber is the same amount as what the carb count is on here. So, except for the barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce doesn't have any dietary fiber in it. Go figure. We have honey mustard. And it's the same thing. 3 grams of carbs and dietary fiber 3 grams. So 0 calories, 0 protein, 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, sugar-free. All of these I do believe are sugar-free. I don't know if I said that or not. Oh, and gluten-free, 0 sodium, sugar-free, and dairy-free. I believe that might be for all of them too. It is. So, this is the blueberry syrup. If you guys want me to do like a taste test on some of these, please let me know down in the comments. I'd be more than happy to do that. And I could even have my 13-year-old, or excuse me, he's 14. He's very picky with his food. So if he doesn't like it, there we go. This one it's called Special Flavor. Lord only knows what Special Flavor is. It looks almost like it could be another barbecue sauce or like a cross between a barbecue and a ketchup. But it's Top Taste. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. Top Taste 18. 0 calories. But it says it's made in Terra de Santa Cruz. And I don't know if all this stuff is made in this same place, but anyway. It is 0 calories, 0.7 total grams of carbohydrates, 0 protein. Like literally all of these have pretty decent like ingredients in them. So here's my favorite. Mayonnaise. This one is garlic. And then this one, oh, did I get 2? Oh, boy, I'm in the mayonnaise game here. I got 3. So this one is the regular mayo, and it's completely zero everything. There's no calories, no carbs, no protein, no sodium, no fat. And the regular mayonnaise, this one is mayonnaise. These two are both mayonnaise with garlic, and they're the same thing. There's nothing but liquid stuff in here. That's what I say, because it's like nothing counts as anything. This one, let's shake that up. It's a onion and garlic salad dressing. I didn't realize it was a salad dressing when I got it, but it's 20 calories. Oh, and listen to these ingredients. Filtered water, vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, onion, garlic, spices, cayenne pepper, citric acid, xanthan gum, natural flavor. You can't get any more better than that. And then it's just got 2 grams of fat, which obviously that's from the oil. But there's no cholesterol, no sodium, no carbs, no protein. Next one is the salted caramel syrup. Yeah, I got a lot of syrups. 25 calories, 10 grams of carbs. It has stevia extract in it. No artificial colors. 9 dietary fiber and 20 sodium. So these are going to be pretty interesting to try out and see how they taste. This one, let's shake her up. This is the American Burger. American Burger, 0 calories. And this one is 0 on everything except for the carbs, which is 0.7 grams of carbs. Not too bad. And, ooh, they have mustard sauce, Mrs.Taste. So, this one, ooh, I'm excited about this one too. This is the creamy sriracha. And this one is 0 on everything. So, I got one more. Chocolate syrup. Chocolate syrup. Chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, sorry. SpongeBob coming at me. This one is 0 on everything except for the carbs. It's 2.5 grams of carbs, but they are also dietary fiber. So if you're going for net carbs. So hopefully I will let you guys know, like, if you guys will let me know about wanting to have a taste test go on, I can always do that and show you guys what everything kind of tastes like, whether my son likes it or not, and what he thinks. My husband's probably going to kill me when he comes home and sees me with all these sauces because he says I buy too many anyway. But this, I'm hoping that these are really good. If they're not, I still have to eat them all, probably by myself if nobody else likes them. And that's fine. That just means they'll last longer. The only one, there. Best Buy 523. Best Buy 1023. Oh yeah. Even if I don't eat them, like if it takes me a while to use them, that's fine. So, just post comments, questions, what you would like me to do a video on first for taste test. And I'll come back at you guys with a taste test of something in this group. So, sorry about the hand in the face. Thank you guys very much for watching.